Hello teacher, how are you? Today we want to start with the new lesson, which is the solubility. In this part of the lesson we want to define solubility and to indicate the solubility of a given substance. First, let's review. If I have a substance and I put it to another substance, here in this example we have solid substance, I put it in a liquid substance and they dissolve in each other, so they will form a solution. The substance which is dissolved is called the solute, and the substance that makes the dissolving is called the solvent. This is the solution. So solution is obtained when a solute dissolves in a given solvent and they will form homogeneous mixture. And also we want to review, if I want to speed up the rate of the dissolving, if I want to make the solute dissolve faster in the solvent, I can make three ways. First way, stirring, if I stir the mixture well, so the solute will dissolve faster. And heating, if I heat the solution also, the solute will dissolve also faster. And to make the particle of the solute size is smaller, okay, if they have bigger size they will not dissolve faster, they will take more time, and if the particle size of the solute is smaller they will dissolve faster. Type, here I have a very important question. Type, if I want to make a solution, I want to add solute to a solvent, type, can I add a different quantity of the solute and the solvent, add more quantity of the solute, and all of the added quantity will dissolve in the solvent in a different quantity of the solvent? To know the answer, please observe this video.
What are we going to do today?
I want to test whether a glass of water can dissolve any amount of sugar.
What's there to check? Quite a lot of sugar can be dissolved in a glass of water.
I don't think so.
Okay then, go ahead and test it. We shall find out the truth.
This glass contains water, while this bowl has sugar.
Only this much sugar. Bring some more.
Let this much sugar get dissolved in the water first. Then I will bring some more.
Okay, let's start.
Put a spoonful of sugar into the water, miss.
See, a spoonful of sugar completely dissolved in a glass of water.
Wait, we shall add more sugar now. Miss, keep adding more sugar in the glass.
Oh no! The sugar is not dissolving in the water anymore.
Exactly. This is what I was telling you.
So it means that if we take fixed quantity of water, only a fixed quantity of sugar can be dissolved in it.
Not just sugar. Any dissolving substance will have a fixed quantity that will
Okay, so we have, your teacher, a maximum quantity of a solute that can be dissolved in a given quantity of the solvent at specific temperature. I can't make an open quantity of the solute can dissolve in a given quantity of the solvent. This is if we have maximum, we have limited quantity of the solute that can be dissolved. This quantity is called, the maximum quantity is called solubility. So the solubility of the substance is the maximum quantity of this substance that can be dissolved in a definite, محدد, a given quantity of the solvent at specific temperature. For example, the solubility of sugar in 100 milliliter of water is 240 gram at room temperature. That means the maximum quantity of sugar that can be dissolved in 100 milliliter of water is 204 gram. If I add if I have 100 milliliter of water I can't add more than 240 gram of sugar. The maximum quantity of sugar that can be dissolved is 204 gram. This is the solubility. So no more than 240 gram of sugar can be dissolved in 100 milliliter of water. طيب, here we have another question. All of the substances have the same solubility in water. يعني can I dissolve the same quantity of the solute of many solutes, different solutes, in the same quantity of water? يعني if I have sugar and salt, we said before إنه maximum quantity of sugar is 240 gram. طيب, also the maximum quantity of salt is 240 gram in 100 milliliter water. Here the answer is no, it's not the same. For example, maximum quantity of table salt that can be dissolved in 100 milliliter of water is 36 gram at room temperature. The solubility of table salt is 36 gram in 100 milliliter of water, not 204. يعني every substance have its own solubility.